Hey guys, a quick intro for those of you guys new to my channel. I'm an Icelandic Chinese artist currently based in China. I make bi-weekly videos hoping to inspire you to be more creative, more unique. If you want videos 1 week ahead of time, check out my Patreon, and there's some other goodies there too. This video is going to be a little bit shorter than the usual. I haven't been painting very much ever since being back to China, and after my 2-week quarantine, I feel like I was creating a lot before this time, and I just really need a break, and there's a lot of other stuff that I need to get around to doing, so that is not painting. So I've just been feeling quite uninspired, but I finally managed to get to the studio and decided to just paint a bouquet of flowers. I literally stood there for ages and was like, what am I gonna paint? I don't want to paint from imagination. So this is what I came up with, and you'll be seeing the original bouquet of flowers that this was inspired by. I wasn't trying to make it look just like the flowers, it was more just to use it as a source image and inspire kind of the flow of the painting. I also decided to change the background in the middle of this. I felt like the pink black background was just not working with the colors of the bouquet, so I decided to use a little bit more gray hues for it instead, just to make the colors pop even more. And yeah, I think that was the right choice. Now I'm darkening the lines and creating a little bit more contrast, but I don't want it to be too perfect, so I'm keeping it quite raw overall. I forgot to mention, but I'm actually using acrylics in this painting, which is quite different from oil painting. In some ways, like day and night. Actually, I don't know if it's that different, but I feel like if you are used to painting oils, then painting with acrylics is not really a problem. But if you are used to painting with acrylics, then painting with oils might be quite different, and you have to get used to it because it just does not dry fast, so you have to be much more careful with the color choice. If I was using oils, I wouldn't have been able to switch the background just like that in one sitting, for instance, but because with acrylics it dries so fast, I just, switched it up. This was originally a TikTok video, or a Douyin Chinese version of TikTok video, where I'm posting the photos of the process and a little bit of the video. I'm not the best at TikTok, I get really confused, but I'm trying, but yeah, I thought I would show you guys this just so you could see the original bouquet and contrast it with the photos along the way. And yeah, I think it turned out overall well. Let me know what you think in the comment section below.